Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class, 4th chapter, unit exercise, first problem. Find the complementary, supplementary and conjugate angle of 36 degrees. The sum of the complementary angles that is equal to 90 degrees. Then the complementary angle of 36 degrees, it is equal to 90 minus 36, that is equal to 54 degrees. So next one, the sum of the supplementary angles, it is equal to 180 degrees. Then the supplementary angle of 36 degrees, it is equal to 180 minus 36, it is equal to 144 degrees. Next, the sum of the conjugate angles, it is equal to 360 degrees. Then the conjugate angle of 36 degrees, it is equal to 360 minus 36, it is equal to 324 degrees. So this is about first problem. Next problem, second one. Observe the figure and write any 4 pairs of adjacent angles. So this is a given figure. So first we need to know what is meaning of a adjacent angles. The adjacent angles are common vertex and common arm. So observe this figure. So in this angle AOB, so this is angle AOB and angle BOC. So this is angle BOC. So these two angles having common vertex O and also common arm is OB. So these two are pair of adjacent angles. So pair of adjacent angles are angle AOB and angle BOC. So this is one pair of adjacent angles. So next, angle BOC. So this is angle BOC and angle COD. So these two are also common vertex is O and also common ray is OC. So angle BOC and angle COD. These two are also pair of adjacent angles. Next pair, angle COD and angle DOE. These two are also common vertex is O and common ray is OD. So angle COD and angle DOE are adjacent angles. Next pair, angle DOE and angle EOF. These two angles having common vertex O and common ray is OE. So OE is a common ray. So these two are also adjacent angles. So angle DOE and angle EOF. So these are 4 pairs of adjacent angles in this figure. So this is solution for second problem. Next problem, third one. In the given figure, the lines L and M intersect at O. Find X. So this is given figure. So this is line L, this is line M. These two are intersecting at point O. So this is the intersection of point O. First read given information. Given lines L and M intersect at O. So observe the figure. The angles X plus 40, it is vertically opposite angle to the 120 degrees. Why? Because the line L and M are intersecting lines. So from the figure, X plus 40 it is equal to 120 degrees. Why? Because these two are vertically opposite angles. X plus 40 it is equal to 120. So from this simple equation find the X value. So X it is equal to 120 plus 40, it is moving to right side, minus 40. X it is equal to 120 minus 40 becomes 80. So x equal to 80 degrees is the solution for the given problem. Next problem, fourth one. In the given figure, line AE is a straight line. If the ratio of angles 1, 2, 3, 4 in the given figure is 1:2:3:4, then find the angles. So in the problem they are asking find the angles 1, 2, 3, 4. They are given the ratio is 1:2:3:4. So first write given information. Given the ratio of the angles, it is equal to 1:2:3:4. So consider angle 1, it is equal to, so angle 1 is a one part, so 1 nothing but 1 into x. So angle 2, it is equal to, so angle 2 equal to given the ratio 2 parts, so I am considering here 2 into x. So like this angle 3, it is equal to 3 parts, so 3 into x. Angle 4, it is equal to 4 parts is given, so 4 into x. So observe the figure. The angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, these 4 angles form a straight angle. So this is a straight angle. The value of straight angle, it is equal to 180 degrees. So from the figure, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, it is equal to 180 degrees. So because of straight angle. So angle 1, it is equal to 1 into x, nothing but 1x. So this is a x. So angle 1 is x plus angle 2, it is equal to 2 into x, it is equal to 2x. So substitute 2x plus angle 3, it is equal to 3 into x, that is equal to 3x. Substitute angle 3 equal to 3x. Angle 4, that is equal to 4 into x, that is equal to 4x. So substitute angle 4 equal to 4x, it is equal to 180 degrees. So add these 4. So x plus 2x equal to 3x, 3x plus 3x equal to 6x, 6x plus 4x equal to 10x. So 10x, it is equal to 180 degrees. So from this find out the x value. So x, it is equal to 180. So 10 is the relation with x is a multiplication. So it is moving to right side division. So by 10. So 0, 0 cancel. So x, it is equal to 18 degrees. So in the problem they are asking to find the angles. So find out the 4 angles. So angle 1, that is equal to x. So x value is 18 degrees. So angle 1, it is equal to 18 degrees. So next angle 2. Angle 2, it is equal to 2x. That is equal to 2 into the x value becomes 18. So 2 into 18 becomes 36 degrees. So angle 2 equal to 36 degrees. So angle 2 equal to 36 degrees. So next angle 3, it is equal to 3x. The x value is 18 degrees. So 3 into 18, it is equal to 54 degrees. So next angle 4. Angle 4 equal to 4x. So x value is 18. 4 into 18, it is equal to 72 degrees. So these are the 4 angles. So this is solution for the fourth problem. So this is solution for the fourth problem. Next problem, fifth one. Write any two examples for linear pair of angles in your surroundings. First example, the opposite hands in a clock. Second example, ladder placed against to the wall. So these are two examples for the linear pair of angles. Next problem, sixth one. Mani said two obtuse angles can form a pair of conjugate angles. Do you agree? Justify your answer. So answer is, I do not agree. So reason, obtuse angles means more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So two obtuse angles sum is less than 360 degrees, but the conjugate angles sum it is equal to 360 degrees. So two obtuse angles cannot form a pair of conjugate angles. Next problem, seventh one. Draw a pair of adjacent angles which are not supplementary to each other. So the meaning of supplementary angles means the sum of the two angles it is equal to 180 degrees. So in the problem they are asking which are not equal to supplementary angles. So the meaning is the two adjacent angles sum it is not equal to 180 degrees. So first draw a straight line. So this is a straight line. So consider this is a point A. So this is a point B. So this is a AB line. Now I am placing the protractor which is exactly middle of this point A. So this point is 90 degrees. I am locating here. So this is a 90 degrees. So join this point from point A by using scale. Consider this is a point C. So this is a right angle. This right angle I am dividing into two different angles, that is one angle equal to 50 degrees, other angle equal to 40 degrees. So this is a 0 degrees. Now find 50 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now locate a point at 50 degrees. So join this point from point A. Consider this is a point O. So this is angle 50 degrees. So this is angle 40 degrees. Now observe the angle BAO and angle OAC. These two are adjacent angles and the sum it is equal to 90 degrees. So these are not supplementary angles. So angle BOA and angle OAC are adjacent angles and which are not supplementary angles. So this is solution for seventh problem. Next problem, eighth one. In this figure, if L is parallel to M, T is transversal. Find angle 1 and angle 2. This is the line L, this is the line M. These two are parallel and the line T is a transversal line. So in this figure, angle 1 and 110 degrees, these two are vertically opposite angles. The vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 it is equal to 110 degrees because of they are vertically opposite angles. The line L and M are parallel lines, then angle 1 and angle 2 are co-interior angles. The sum of the co-interior angles sum it is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 it is equal to 180 degrees because of they are co-interior angles. So from this find second angle. So angle 1 it is equal to 110 degrees. 110 plus angle 2 it is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 2 it is equal to 180 plus 110 it is moving to right side minus 110. Angle 2 it is equal to 180 minus 110 it becomes 70 degrees. So angle 2 value is 70 degrees. So this is solution for the 8th problem. Next problem, 9th one. A line P intersects two lines L and M at two distinct points. Observe the figure and fill in the blanks. So first one, the line P is known as dash. So this is the line P in this figure. So this line P intersect the line L and M at two distinct points. So the line P is known as transversal line. So the P is known as transversal line. So answer is a transversal line. Next second one. Angle 1 and angle 5 is a pair of dash angles. So observe angle 1, this is a angle 1, this is a angle 5. So these two are lies same side of a transversal line, and also angle 1 is a exterior angle, angle 5 is a interior angles. So these angles are said to be corresponding angles. So answer is corresponding angles. Next one, third one. Angle 4 and angle 6 is a pair of dash angles. So this is a angle 4, this is a angle 6. So these two are interior angles and also opposite angles. So these are called alternate interior angles. Answer is alternate interior angles. Next one, fourth one. Angle 3 and angle 6 is a pair of dash angles. So this is angle 3, this is angle 6. These two are interior angles and also lies same side of a transversal line. So angle 3 and angle 6 are said to be co-interior angles. So answer is co-interior angles. So this is solution for the 9th problem. Next problem, 10th one. In the given figure, the line CF parallel to the line BD. BE is a transversal. Angle CAE it is equal to 135 degrees. Then find angle ABD. So in the problem, they are given the line CF is parallel to BD. So this is line CF, this is line BD. So these two lines are parallel lines, and also given the line BE is a transversal. So this is the line BE is a transversal line. Angle CAE it is equal to 135 degrees. So this is angle CAE. So that is equal to 135 degrees. So in this figure, the angle CAE and the angle CAB. So this is angle CAB. These two angles form a straight angle. So this is a straight line BAE. The straight angle makes 180 degrees. First write given information. Given angle CAE it is equal to 135 degrees. So from the figure, the angle CAE plus the angle CAB it is equal to 180 degrees. Angle CAE plus angle CAB it is equal to 180 degrees because of straight angle. So we know that CAE it is equal to 135 degrees. So substitute here 135 plus. So find out angle CAB. So angle CAB it is equal to 180 degrees. So angle CAB it is equal to 180 plus 135 it is moving to right side minus 135. So angle CAB it is equal to 180 minus 135 it becomes 45 degrees. So angle CAB it is equal to 45 degrees. So observe angle CAB and the angle ABD. These two are alternate interior angles. The alternate interior angles are equal. Angle ABD it is equal to angle CAB. So because of vertically opposite angles are equal, so angle ABD it is equal to angle CAB, that is 45 degrees only. 45 degrees. So angle ABD it is equal to 45 degrees. It is a solution for the 10th problem. Okay students, this is about unit exercise lines and angles. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.